Welcome to NPM Tech, cool tools you really need to buy. Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder with Laser Mark. With a simple and intuitive design, the Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder with Laser Mark is a pocket-friendly way to hit the mark every time. Featuring strong rare earth magnets, the Magnetic Stud Finder with Laser Mark offers reliable indication on wood and metal studs. Laser Mark laser line, high-vis bubble level, and precision marking notch make it easy to anchor cabinets, shelves, and more without the need to mark on the wall. Features: Laser Mark Project Stud Location. 2 powerful magnets find screws and nails. Holds hands free on the wall. High-vis bubble level. Precision-centered marking notches. Use with or without batteries. Works on wood and metal studs. Union Spoke Tension Meter. The key to wheels that are strong and reliable is having spokes that are properly and uniformly tensioned. The TM1 tension meter accurately and reliably measures the absolute tension of each of the spokes in a wheel, as well as the relative tension between all the spokes in a wheel. Easy to use and priced affordably, the TM1 works on nearly any bicycle spoke, no matter what the diameter, material, or shape. Not just for the experienced mechanic, the TM1 is for anyone building or truing wheels, diagnosing wheel problems, or assembling new bikes. It's a tool that belongs on every workbench. Weight: 0.75 pounds. Bosch Universal Tacker. The Universal Tacker 18 volts -14 is a cordless nail and staple tool that brings new levels of comfort and versatility to DIY fastening jobs. Designed for easy staple and nail application, this ergonomic tacker powerfully drives staples and nails into soft and hard wood. When working with different materials and staple lengths, the throat can be adjusted to the optimal strength by turning the impact force dial. The push-plus-release system ensures optimum control during operation by eliminating self-triggering. For quick fastening tasks, such as lining raised garden beds, the bottom fire feature can be engaged to deliver up to 30 shots a minute. And with the handy reload indicator, staple level can be checked at a glance and the tacker refilled if needed. The built-in Bosch Neon technology provides optimum power and maximum runtime. The tool belongs to the 18 volts power for all system. One battery can be used in all 18 volts power for all tools. TBH4S501. The Tough Built Scraper Utility Knife is an innovative 2-in-1 tool expertly crafted from pro-grade materials. It features a patented mechanism that allows you to transform it from a utility knife to a scraper with a simple press of your thumb. It includes 5 custom universal tough built blades that are easily changed with the push of a button, and which are compatible with almost all other utility knives. It does everything a scraper and utility knife does, all in one tool. In scraper mode you can remove paint, putty, labels and adhesive from windows, mirrors, tile. In knife mode you can cut carpet, cardboard, plastic, vinyl, rope and more with ease and precision. The rugged, non-slip rubber handle is strong, durable and easy to hold, and the finger guard ridge helps keep you safe while cutting. It also includes an integrated paint can opener and a handy lanyard opening for easy tethering. Cordless Cable Stripper. 20 volts Max XR Brushless Cable Stripper. The 20 volts Max XR Brushless Cable Stripper is a dedicated, powered tool for cleanly and consistently stripping electrical cable without an exposed knife. It quickly strips copper and aluminum cable from number 6 AWG to 750 MCM CU and 900 MCM AL. Quick release bushings and a reference chart are included to cover the range of cable diameters. Put down the blade and increase productivity with this innovative solution for large diameter cable stripping. Thank you and don't forget subscribe, like and share.